Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your job prospects with CareerBuilder, full guide step by step clearly. Create an account on CareerBuilder's website. Visit the home page and click on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email, and password. Confirm your email address by clicking on the link in the verification email. Complete your profile by adding your work history, education, and skills. Make sure to include relevant keywords to improve searchability. Upload a professional resume in PDF or Word format. Customize your resume for specific job applications. Utilize CareerBuilder's Resume Builder for formatting help. Explore the job search feature by entering desired job titles and locations. Use filters to narrow down your job search based on salary, company, and job type. Set up job alerts to receive notifications for new job listings that match your criteria. Leverage the salary tool to understand industry standards and negotiate effectively. Access CareerBuilder's career advice section for helpful articles on resume writing and interviewing. Consider using the career test feature to discover your strengths and potential job matches. Network with professionals in your field through CareerBuilder's community forums. Take advantage of the job application tracking feature to stay organized. Follow up with employers after submitting applications to express your interest. Be proactive in applying for jobs and diversifying your search. Regularly update your profile and resume to reflect new skills and experiences. Monitor the job market trends through CareerBuilder to stay informed. Engage with the platform regularly to maximize your job-seeking opportunities. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.